All praise to Allah, all glory to Him. Let peace prevail and equality win. Let truth reign supreme. Let all unhappiness and misery, all oppression and tyranny, all cowardice and falsehood perish for good, for good. All glory to Allah, all praise to Him. Let all pain and sorrow, all disease and want disappear. Let there be no fear of jealousy and hatred. Let the timid, the weak, and the old grow fearless and bold. Let them conquer death and glow with the fire of an undying faith. All praise to Allah and glory to Him. No more will recklessness and disorder prevail. Dear audience, after Tilawati Quran Pak, I would like to invite Saba Amir for Hamde Bari Tala.